What's up, y'all? Hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed day. Hope y'all getting out in nature. Hope y'all taking care of yourself. All that, all that, all that. Okay, so this video is about somebody we all know very well. You know what I'm saying? But it's about somebody we all don't treat very well. Treats us very well, but doesn't treat. All right, what am I trying to say? Okay, this video is about Mother Earth and shit. Today I'm gonna be providing evidence on why. Look at that chemtrail. Chemtrail right there, bro. Right fucking there. Talking about why Mother Earth is alive, why Earth is alive, and why you should treat it with the utmost respect and kindness. Okay? So, Earth is a living being, 100%. There's no doubt in my mind about that one. I want to tell you why. For one, you need to get out of your head that the only reason why something is living, or the only reason why something has a consciousness, is because it can talk or communicate or something like that, or something that, or a human quality. You're putting a human quality to other objects and you're saying that it's not alive. That's really weird, and it's very egotistical that humans believe that we are the only consciousness beings, not only on this planet, but in the whole universe. There's some people out there who still believe that aliens don't exist. Wow. Just fucking wow. Okay, aliens, whatever, but multi-dimensional beings? You don't believe that multi-dimensional beings exist? What? Get out your head that if something doesn't have a human quality, it is not alive. For example, the Earth can't talk, with it doesn't have a mouth, it can't talk, but it can communicate, right? It has a chakra system. We're gonna get into that in a second. But yes, Earth can communicate, it can talk. You can get information from Earth. You can get information from trees, all my beautiful ancestors in the background, and even my nigga Edward. Oh shit, Edward's over there. Whatever, dog. You know what I'm saying? They're all Edwards to me, right? So yeah, bro. Earth can communicate. Earth can talk, and yeah, it uses more telepathy, and telepathy is actually a higher vibration of communication than the communication that we use, which is speaking and using words. Using words is actually very low vibration, and that's why there's miscommunications all the fucking time, because it'd be way easier for us to just send shit through our minds, but our vibration ain't high enough for that. But Earth's vibration is definitely high enough for that, and that's how it communicates. All right, that's also how animals communicate, right? That's how you can tell that your cat hungry, or your dog hungry, or your dog wants to play, or some shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Because it uses telepathy, right? It's not conscious of it using telepathy, but that's what it's doing, right? So yeah, get that idea, get that idea out your head. Earth has a chakra system just like how we have a chakra system. So okay, it has 13 chakras going across, and it has 7 chakras going up and down. It really has 26 chakras going up and down, like how we have 26 chakras going up and down. But we're just gonna focus on the 7 physical chakras. Okay. So the first chakra, the root chakra, is the ground. That's why I walk barefoot and shit, because the ground heals your root chakra. That's why I feel grounded right now. I feel chill as fuck. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Look at that background. It's a vibe, you know what I'm saying? We chilling, right? But that's not just because it's just nature and it's beautiful. It's because, it's science and shit, dog. It's literally the ground is healing my root chakra, right? So the ground is the root chakra. I believe, I haven't did too much research about this one, so take it with a grain of salt, but I believe that the trees are actually the sacral chakra of the earth, because if you think about it, trees really have the most willpower, like, on the goddamn planet, bro. When trees loses the leaves, they don't complain, you know what I'm saying? The way that a tree grows is only by sunshine and water. That's how we grow, sunshine and water. You know what I'm saying? But the only way you can grow with only sunshine and water is if you like boost your sacred chakra to that level, right? That's why I think that the sacred chakra of the earth is the trees, and the solar plexus is underground. It is the inner sun. So the core, that's the solar plexus. Like that, I'm just like explaining a couple chakras. Like there's more to it. I'm sure there's an allegory for the throat chakra. Oh, so the crown chakra of the earth is the sky, right? Now that gets into the Bible a little bit, because the Bible says that heaven is in the sky, right? The crown chakra is the sky, the atmosphere. Think about that. Heaven, higher vibrations, high vibration. Crown chakra is the sky. Whole Bible's an allegory. Shit crazy, right? So yeah, it's a little bit. Gonna make a whole video about the Bible. I think it's very interesting how it connects to the world and shit. How you shouldn't take it so literally, because too many people take the Bible so literally. But you get what I'm saying. So treat the earth right, man. Treat it right. It's your mother before your mother. That's what I like to call it. It is my mother before my mother. So a lot of people don't treat the earth right, and that's a little sad, It birthed you, it raised you. This is its ground. That's why I don't vibe when people are like, let's go to Mars. Oh, I want to see what Mars is. What the fuck is that Mars, bro? I'm not saying I wouldn't visit Mars if I had the chance, like, obviously, but like, what the fuck is that Mars, dog? I love the earth, bro. I haven't even like discovered 1% of this planet. Y'all niggas already want to go to another planet? That's weird. That's weird. But nah, take care of the earth, you know what I'm saying? Recycle, throw away your trash, all that shit. Don't throw your shit on the ground. That shit not cool. You know what I'm saying? Even though the trash does just go in the landfill. Like, niggas just pick that up and put it in the landfill. But it's better than goddamn nothing, right? You don't know where that fucking plastic water bottle can lead. You don't know if that bitch is gonna go into the ocean. You don't know nothing about that shit. So just put your shit in the trash, all that. Take care of your earth, bro. Take care of it, bro. Because think about it. The earth was gone for a second. The earth was gone for 1 second. You'd be dead in half a second, right? So take care of the earth, bro. It's very sad when I see people not take care of the earth, not treat the earth right, because I don't know, they just got an ego towards it. They think that the earth ain't real. They think that the earth isn't alive, bro. Like, what? This ain't alive? You're telling me that this is not alive, bro? Maybe not alive in the way you think the definition of alive is, but in my definition, oh, this shit alive. This shit more alive than human beings. This shit more alive than some people I know. God damn it, this shit beautiful, right? So take care of it, man. It takes care of you. The least you can do is the least you can do is give back. You know what I'm saying? Plant your trees, grow your own food, grow your own apples. You know what I'm saying? Get back to your trees. Hug a tree, bro. Talk to trees, bro. See my nigga somewhere. Like, I give trees names, bro. Trees that I really fuck with, I just give them names, bro. Cause it's just like, it helps my vibration. You know what I'm saying? Give animals names, bro. And this really goes down to like nature, and why nature is just so sacred, and why you just need to get out in nature as much as possible, bro. Cause niggas just stay in a car. They stay at their crib. This is the average day of a human, right? They wake up in their house. They stay at their crib for 3 to 4 hours. Then they hop in their car for like 30 to 40 minutes. And then they walk to, and then they go to work. and stay there for like 7 to 9 hours. Like, bro, you're inside all fucking day, bro. I got a job. I can't do that shit, bro. I have to get my 1 or 2 hours out in nature, bro. I should really be getting like 6 or 10 on some real shit, bro. Get your nature, bro. What is that? All it does is help you. All it does is raise your vibration. So yeah, bro. Take care of the earth, man. It's your mother before your mother, man. On God. But I think that's it for this video. I didn't think it'd be that quick, but I guess I got the message. I guess I got the point across. You know what? I'm gonna leave y'all niggas with the sunset, alright? There it goes right there. Beautiful. Ain't it a blessing to be alive? Don't you just love being alive, bro? You see this shit every day. Alright. See y'all later. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Peace out.